Hello everyone, this is Baljit from JK, and this video I'm going to review this LED music bulb. I will be open box and we will find out what is inside, and we're gonna discuss about the price and some functions. So first off, this light bulb is about, you can see it's about that size packaging and cost me about like $15. So you can find anywhere on eBay $15 to $17. Some are selling expensive, but I found for $15. So this light bulb comes with LED, 100 to 240 voltage, power 12 watt. Because they have a LED power 6 watt and the speaker power have a 3 watt. So function of the best part of this light bulb, it have a light bulb plus it have a Bluetooth speaker inside. So it also have some product parameters over here. So what a bulb does, how much range is it, like 33 feet, can detect your cell phone device or any device you want to control this light bulb. It comes with light bulb and remote control. It also have a RGB colors, have a multiple colors. You want, you can change. So first, when we're gonna open the box, inside the box you will get this light bulb. As you can see, this light bulb have a speaker in the middle and have a US standard socket. So you replace with any bulb, just remove the other one, put it on. As soon as you power on, it will make a sound, and you will be able to search on your cell phone device or any other device you want to control. It also comes with the remote to turn on, off, and there's multiple colors you can choose. Also comes with some instructions, so how you can set up and everything. So now we can install this light bulb and test how it works. I'm going to move over to this pendant lights. I'm going to use one of them as my LED music bulb. So basically what happens if I install, then I can use as the RGB colors. Also I can use as a speaker while we cooking in the kitchen. Around my living room we can play music on it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the bulb from inside, I'm going to install. Simply go to your smart device and open your Bluetooth, turn on, and it will appear as a speaker light, L1, L2, anything. You just connect, and then you can find any music. You can go to or YouTube or any your iTunes and find the music or play music on it.
So find a way to
That's all. If you enjoyed my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.